Hello everyone, today I'm making world's easiest breakfast toast. Mornings can be chaotic, alarms ringing, messages piling up, and barely enough time to think about breakfast. But what if your morning meal could be simple, nourishing, and beautiful? Something that takes just a few minutes yet feels like self-care. That's exactly what this recipe is, the world's easiest high-protein breakfast. Toast made with cottage cheese or paneer and fresh, colorful veggies. Start with a bowl and add cottage cheese or crumbled paneer. Cottage cheese gives you that soft, creamy texture, while paneer adds a rich, satisfying bite. Mash it lightly with a fork. You want it smooth enough to spread, but still a little chunky. Chop all your veggies, green bell peppers, yellow bell peppers, carrots, and lettuce. Add them straight into the bowl. You can also add cucumbers, tomatoes, or sweet corn if you want more color and crunch. This toast isn't just food, it's a small act of kindness to yourself. It's creamy, crunchy, and packed with protein to keep you full and glowing all morning. Perfect for anyone who wants a quick breakfast that still feels wholesome and homemade. And the best part? You can make it with whatever vegetables you already have in your kitchen. All these veggies bring different flavors, textures, and vitamins. Together, they energize your body and keep you active all day. Just mix and enjoy. And for extra protein and creaminess, you can add a little Greek yogurt to the mix. Season with a pinch of salt, a sprinkle of oregano, and a dash of chili flakes. Mix everything together until it becomes a creamy, colorful filling, vibrant, fresh, and full of texture. This already looks so yummy. I'm a working mom, and in the mornings with kids, not everything is possible. I still want them to have a good breakfast, and this recipe helps me a lot. The best part is that my kids love this toast. They enjoy it every morning like they're eating it for the first time. It makes me so happy. Next, toast your bread. You can use multigrain, sourdough, brown, or even regular white bread, anything you love for breakfast. Toast it until it's golden and crisp. That crunch is what makes every bite so satisfying. Now, spread your cottage cheese mixture generously over the warm toast. The cheese melts slightly into the bread, the veggies stay crisp, and the aroma feels like a fresh morning breeze. It's the kind of breakfast that looks good, tastes good, and makes you feel good. And that's it. Your world's easiest high-protein breakfast toast is ready. Quick, colorful, and full of goodness. Enjoy it with a cup of coffee, green tea, or just a quiet moment before the day begins. Because sometimes, the simplest recipes bring the most peace, and this one proves that healthy can be effortless, beautiful, and delicious. Thank you for watching my video. See you in my next video.